My dear students, in continuation of our yesterday's examples regarding the exponential distribution, which was continued by binomial distribution, now we shall go to solve the examples on the exponential distribution. Okay? Therefore, the example will be, if x is an exponential variate with mean 3 and then find p of x is greater than 1 and p of x is less than 3. The word itself indicates which distribution you need to use. Exponential, the word is given here. Therefore, the probability distribution function of the exponential distribution is, here it is given by f of x equal to alpha e to the power minus alpha x. X is between 0 to infinity, otherwise 0. Therefore, the mean and standard deviation are alpha equal to 1 upon 3. Mean is equal to alpha equal to 1 upon 3. Therefore, putting the value of alpha, then now we can apply, know the condition p of x is greater than 1. What is p of x is greater than 1? It will be 1 minus p of x is less than or is equal to 1. Therefore, 1 minus p of x is from the given function f of x, and the integration will be, after simplification from the calculator, it will be 0.7165. Similarly, p of x is less than 3. Next, come to the another example. The length of telephone conversation in a booth has been exponential distribution. The word is given here. And found on the average to be 5 minutes. Average means what? Mean. Okay. Find the probability that a random cell made from this booth, the condition ends less than 5 minutes, between 5 to 10 minutes. As we did in the previous example, f of x will be alpha into e to the power minus alpha x, mean equal to 1 upon alpha, and average, I mean mean is given by alpha 1 upon alpha equal to 5, that is alpha equal to 1 upon 5. Therefore, putting in the given example, p of x is less than pi, it will be 0 to 5 f of x dx. Putting the respective value f of x, doing the integration, it will be 1.6321. Okay, p of x is less than 5, putting the value x is less than 5 means what? The limits of the integration are between 0 to 5 f of x dx. F of x is given already, therefore go for the integration, it will be 0.6321. Then come for the next condition, p of 5 is less than x less than 10. What are the limit points here? By observing the previous example, it will be between 5 to 10. Observe here, 5 to 10. F of x is already given. Go for integration, it will be 0.2325. My dear students, let me go for solve the examples on normal distribution. Here for the normal distribution, the proofs are not given, only the results are enough here. Using the fact, let me go for the example. If x is a normal variate, the word normal is already given. With mean 30 and standard deviation 5, find the probability that x is between 2640 and x is greater than or equal to 5. Okay, since we are engaging the normal distribution, we have standard normal variate, that is z is equal to x minus mu upon rho. It is sigma. Okay, therefore z is equal to x minus 30 upon 5. Mu means what? Mean is equal to 30 and standard deviation is 5, x minus 30 upon 5. Therefore go for the first condition. To find the condition p of x is between 26 to 40, if x equal to 26, come from the left side, z is equal to what? Putting the value of z is x equal to 26 here, 26 minus 30 divided by 5, it will be minus 0.8. If x equal to 40, z is equal to 2. Then we need to find p of 26 will be what? Minus 0.8, 40 will be what? 2. P of minus 8 point is less than or is equal to z is less than or is equal to 2. Observe here, x is changed to z. X is the given, z is our variate in the normal distribution. Refer this condition, very very important. Therefore, P of minus 8 is less than or is equal to z is less than or is equal to 2 means what? P of minus 8 is less than or is equal to z less than or is equal to 0 plus P of 0 is less than or is equal to z plus is less than or is equal to 2. How it has been happened? The given interval between minus 8 to 2, which will be divided into 2 sub-intervals. What is the sub-interval? Between minus 8 to 0 and 0 to 2. The addition of these two will be what? The given minus 8 to 2. Okay, therefore here minus 8, because since there is a negative sign, we shall convert into positive. How it is? Less than or is equal to will become Here it will be 0 is less than or is equal to z is less than or is equal to 0.8. Refer how the negative condition will be changing into positive condition. Though the inequalities are same, but the terms will be interchanged. Plus p of 0 is less than or is equal to z less than or is equal to 2. There is no change here. Therefore, phi of 0.8 plus phi of 0.2. Refer here. How to get the pi of 0.8 from the normal distribution? Let me consider the normal distribution. What we need? We need phi of 0.8. From the normal probability table, find phi of 0.8. 0.80. How much it is? 0.2881. Are you seeing it properly? Refer this one. 0.8 is equal to 0.2881. What is the one more value? It will be phi of 0.2. What is phi of 0.2? 0.2 will be 0.0793. Again from the table. Okay, 0.0793. Therefore, substitute in the respective phi of 0.2. Here, my dear students, 0.8 is 0.2881. Here it is phi of 0.2, not 0.2. And what is 2 here from the table? It will be 0.4772. Putting the value of 0.4772, addition of these two will be 0.7653. Similarly, the second condition, p of x is greater than or equal to 5. When x equal to 5, when x equal to 45, z is equal to 3. Again using the same condition as we seen in the first condition. Therefore, we need to get p of x is greater than or equal to 3. P of x is greater than p of z is greater than or equal to 3. What is the condition? P of z is greater than or equal to 0 minus p of 0 is less than or is equal to z is less than or is equal to 3. Refer, there is a minus sign between these two subintervals, but there is a plus sign in the previous condition. Refer here. Because in the previous condition, the inequalities are less than or is equal to. Here the inequalities are greater than or equal to. Therefore, if it is greater than or equal to, minus sign will be there. If it is less than or is equal to, plus sign will be there. Again, following the same procedure, p of z is greater than or equal to 0 means what? It is always 0.5 minus 0.5 of 3. Phi of z is greater than or equal to 0 is always, refer this, it is very important, it is fixed one, 0.5 minus pi of 3. What is pi of 3? Again from the table, 0.4987, from the normal probability table, 0.4987. Therefore 0.4987, the subtraction will be 0.0013. Next, go for the next example. The marks of 10 students in an examination follows a normal distribution. The word normal is already given. With the mean 70 and standard deviation 5, find the number of students whose marks will be less than 65, more than 75, 65 to 75. This example is again based on the previous one. Only this less than 65 means what? P of x is less than 65. Okay. Therefore, P of more than 75, using the same fact, we have solved the example. Again from the normal distribution table, find the respective values. Because the condition is given here, what is the condition? The marks of 1000 students are given. Therefore, at the end of each condition, whatever the value we got, that shall be multiplied by 1000 here. Refer the first condition, second condition and the third condition. Okay, yes, come to the next example. In a test on electrical bulbs, it was found that the lifetime of a particular brand was distributed normally. The word again normally is given. With an average life of 2000 hours. Average means what? Mean. Standard deviation of 60 hours. If a firm purchases 2500 bulbs, find the number of bulbs that are likely to last for more than 2100 bars, less than 1900 bars, between 1900 to 2100 bars. This example is as like as the previous example. Since it has taken from the one of the previous question paper, that's why I mentioned the example also. Therefore, this is given by again the same condition. Everything is solved here. From the table again, from the normal distribution table, refer the condition. Okay. Therefore, at the end, for 2500 it will be 2263. That is what we are not putting any decimal value, which we are putting the next rounded value. Therefore, it is 2263 instead of 2262.5. Next, the last example. In an examination of 7% students score less than 35% marks and 89% of students less than 60% marks. Find the mean and standard deviation if the marks are normally distributed. The word normal is given. It is given that these three conditions are already given. It means what? The values from the normal distribution table, they are given. Okay, therefore again refer the condition. I have solved the values correctly and neatly step by step. Refer each and every step here. Okay, at the end, what is the mean? Mu 48.65. What is standard deviation? That is sigma 9.25, which we have calculated from this given table. Thank you.